This morning I want to share with you 5 laws that governs money. You see this thing called money. There are laws that governs money, and I will be sharing with you 5 major laws that governs money. There are other laws that governs money, but I will be sharing with you 5 major laws that governs money. The first one is the law of value. The money flows towards the direction where there is value. If you want to make more money, you have to provide more values. That is to say, money and value works hand in hand. You cannot separate value from money. That is to say, money flows towards the direction of value. Now, the second law is the law of control. Money stays where there is control. A control in the sense that how it is being spent, how it is being managed. If you don't control the rate in which you spend money, money will be very far from you. That is to say that money stays where there is control. Where there is control in spending, that's where money stays. The third one is law of seed and harvest. Now, money dwells in a place where there is seed, and where there is seed, there is a harvest. That is to say that if there is a seed of money, there must be a harvest of money. What do I mean by seed of money? If you can be able to invest, if you can be able to venture into a business, if you can be able to create something, that is how seed is being sown. And harvest is the return. That is to say that if you invest, in return you must have money. If you create a business, or if you venture into a business, in return there will be a gain. If you create value, in return there will be a money. And I would like to tell you that, you see, in this 2026, I will advise you, make sure you provide value. Find a particular solution, find a particular value that you'll be providing that will make money to flow towards your direction. You cannot stay idle and expect money to flow towards your direction. No, this law says that. This law makes sure that there will be an inflow if there is a seed at due time. The fourth one is the law of discipline. Money rewards disciplined people. If you can be able to be disciplined in that particular, no matter how little it is, if you can be able to be disciplined in that area, being consistent, doing it and doing it right, definitely there must be a reward. There is a reward that comes with consistency. There is a reward that comes with discipline. Even if you are doing it, maybe you are into a business, a small scale business, be consistent in it. Discipline yourself to manage. Discipline yourself to grow the business. Discipline yourself to make sure that there is an inflow of cash daily. And this law says that it must definitely reward you. The fifth one is the law of environment. The law of environment is the fifth one. Now, that is to say that money works with your environment. Environment in the sense that your mind, your thinking pattern, people around you, your vicinity. These are the major things that controls money around you. And if you are in a circle of people who are mediocres, you will discover that you will think like them. If you are in the circle of those who think about success, who value success, and who are determined to be successful, you will discover that you yourself, you will rise with them. That's why money, this particular law is the law of environment, and your environment matters. Feed your mind with positive thinking pattern. Feed your mind with positive things. Feed your mind with thought that will generate income for you. Don't keep your mind idle. If you keep your mind idle, definitely the wrong aspect will enter your mind. That is to say, make sure you continually feed your mind with positive thoughts towards money, positive thought towards your environment, positive thought towards success, and definitely you must achieve a success. Thank you.